Today, we are diving deep into the camera comparison between Samsung's latest Galaxy A55 and its predecessor Galaxy A54. So you have probably heard the buzz about the Galaxy A55, right? The sleek design, the dazzling display, it's definitely turning heads. While the A55 seems to be making waves with its upgraded display, the story is a bit different when it comes to their cameras. Is it really worth ditching your trusty A54? Let's break it down. According to independent reviewer DXOMark, the camera systems of the Galaxy A54 and A55 perform almost identically, and it's not surprising since both phones boast the same camera hardware on paper. We're talking about a 50-megapixel primary camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie sensor, all with identical apertures and pixel sizes across both phones. But yes, there's a slight edge for the A55. Nothing groundbreaking though, especially compared to their display differences. Now you might be thinking, well, surely the A55 must blow the A54 out of the water, right? Well, not quite. While there are some minor improvements thanks to newer software and processing tricks, the difference is marginal at best. In fact, according to DXOMark's rankings, the A55 sits just one spot above the A54 in its price segment. In DXOMark's rankings, A55 sits at 15th in the $400, $600 segment, while the A54 is close behind at 16th. Globally, the A55 ranks 117th and the A54 follows at 122nd. Sure, the A55 might excel in some areas like low-light photography thanks to newer software tricks, but interestingly, the A54 outperforms in categories like zoom and bokeh. So if you were eyeing an upgrade from your Galaxy A54 to the A55 solely for the camera, you might want to reconsider. Now, don't get me wrong, the A55 does come with some enticing upgrades. We're talking Gorilla Glass Victus plus protection, an aluminum frame for that added durability, and a Beefire Exynos 1480 chip under the hood. But when it comes to the camera game, it's more of an evolution than a revolution. If you are truly seeking a camera upgrade, perhaps consider devices like the Galaxy S23 FE. It ranks significantly higher in DxOMark's tests, outshines both the A54 and A55 by a mile, offering a superior camera experience. So there you have it, folks. While the Galaxy A55 might be stealing the spotlight with its flashy features, the camera performance isn't quite the game changer we hoped for. If you're happy with what your A54 is serving up, there's no rush to make the switch just yet. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, peace out.